I want nice, pretty, glowy skin like Sabrina Carpenter. So I have this ad that keeps showing up on my TikTok For You page. It says it's a paid partnership, but I've seen it multiple times without warning, and you can't skip through the video, so it's an ad. So it is a little tutorial on how to get the viral pearl skin look, only using L'Oreal products. And I know like glowy skin is definitely in right now, but I have never heard a single person refer to it as pearl skin. But so today, it's what we're gonna do. So let's watch the commercial.
Pearl skin is all the rage right now. I'm going to show you how to do it. Start with the Radiant Serum Concealer. It's hydrating and light reflecting. Next, we'll apply our pearly base, the True Match Hyaluronic Tinted Serum. This melts into the skin so easily. Now we'll add to the luminosity with our Lumi Glotion. This viral product is a key in pearl skin. Look at the difference that these made. I finished off this look with the Glow Paradise Balm-in-Lipstick. So excited to partner with L'Oreal Paris to show you this look, because you're worth it. Pearl skin is all...
Is that their like slogan? You're worth it? First off, a couple things I already love about this is the lady she is an influencer who is in the commercial. It looks like her skin is actual skin instead of that like filtered nonsense that's always like showed in like TV commercials, for instance. So I bought all these products. And so what we're gonna do today, copy it, see how it goes. Now, I do have some redness and some pimples that are out and about today, which will test how like acne friendly it is. So she applies a lot of it with her finger. I do not like applying things with my fingers, so I have my trusty beauty blender that is not from the Beauty Blender brand. Alliteration. Sorry, I love alliterations. So first you do the concealer. So this shade is way too light for me. For reference, this is my normal concealer shade. Like, this is a lot lighter. Am I doing this right? Do I look like a ghost? Little bit. Wait a minute. She didn't even use any primer on her skin. If I don't use primer, this is not gonna work. I'm just gonna use my trusty Maybelline Master Prime in the blue. It's the Hydrating and Smooth. Now I'm pretty sure I messed up my concealer. Where's the luminosity that I was promised? It literally looks matte to me. I can see it when I put the concealer on, but not when I blend it. So I have lines under my eyes like every other human, and I feel like it's really settling into the lines and caking up. Now I'm gonna use it to cover some of my pimples. I've used the Tinted Serum before, and it does have some coverage, but I don't think it's enough to like not need concealer. Is it even covering anything? It kind of seems like it's just kind of sitting there and disappearing a bit. I'm noticing it's kind of hard to blend. I don't think my acne looks any different. So I'll just put this on, I guess. Here we go. Now I use this tinted serum on almost a daily basis. I alternate between this and 2 foundations. I think I'm gonna have to go over my acne with my own concealer. You know, my concealer that actually works. You can definitely still see my acne, dude. That's it. I'm going in with my concealer that I use. I'm a big L'Oreal Infallible girl, So that's what I'm gonna use to fix my face. Honestly, if you're going for a hydrating concealer, I would recommend the NYX Bear With Me concealer. That usually is like the best hydrating one, in my opinion, at least from the drugstore. So now it's time for the Lumi Glotion. Now, in the video, she uses kind of a bronzier shade. My store did not have that, so it was either the darkest shade or the lightest. So obviously I went with the lightest because I do not want to do accidental blackface or brown face. So she's just like putting it up on her cheekbones. Is that doing anything? Oh, I think it is. In the camera it kind of looks like it is. Okay, now I'm gonna use more product on this side, see how bad it gets. I feel like I have to blend it in, like with a sponge. Oh yeah, I see the glow now. I swear, under my eyes looks really freaking cakey. Do you see that? Like, stop it. Get some help. But like, yeah, you can see the glow. And I don't mind it. But under my eyes... So the next step is lipstick. So she does the rest of her face. So I will be back after I do the rest of my face. Okay, so this is what my makeup is looking like without any blush, bronzer, highlighter. I probably won't need highlighter anyways, but on camera it looks pretty flawless. I mean, you can still probably see under my eyes I still got some wrinkles, and on my forehead there's a bit, but so far I think it's looking really good. But so the next step is lipstick. So I got the exact shade. She didn't write the shade in the description, so I had to just like keep zooming in and pausing the video. But this shade is 180 Beige Eden. Okay, what do we think? I think it's cute. Do I look like her? Should I add blush? I feel like I should at least add blush. Ooh, I think I like this. So I did add some bronzer and blush, and I do think it looks better. Here we go. I look like a ghost. Ignore that. So far, I really like this, except for the concealer. Big shock, I hate the concealer. I do love this lipstick because it's hydrating, so it's like a lip balm stick-ish. And I love that because my lips are always crusty. It was funny because when I went on vacation with my boyfriend, we forgot to bring chapstick. So all I had was like a lip balm lipstick combo, and so we both had super chapped lips, and I was like, oh, here, you can use this. And he's like, no, I do not want colored lips. And I'm like, but if we're just sitting in the hotel, nobody's gonna know. And he was still like, no, I will not. But that's a little funny story. I will update you guys later on how the makeup is staying and how it be, basically. Okay, so I have had my makeup on for a little over 8 hours, and this is how it's looking. See, I don't think it looks as glowy, but there is still a glow to it. My lip balm lipstick combo definitely gone, but that's because I didn't reapply it. I didn't notice the lipstick go on any of my straws or water bottles or anything, so I'm not 100% sure it's transfer proof, but it was pretty good, and my lips do feel pretty moisturized right now. So this is me in my fancy ring light lighting that isn't too fancy. See, it's a lot more matte now. I mean, there's a tiny bit of shine to it, but it's not super shiny. I probably will recreate this look. I might add the some of this stuff to my daily routine, my daily makeup routine. I don't wear makeup every day, but my daily makeup routine. So that was me following an ad for my makeup. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day, and I'd like to remind you that you are wanted, you are loved, and you are valid, and that kindness inspires kindness.